Blood Runners. Only the best game in real world and VR. Explore the blood maps. Look at these comments. Post of Jolly or Sandwich. Yeah, Squid Game better than Gorilla Monkey. Damn, and also motors are funny. They have nice bread moves. I love the backwards and multiplayer and Gorilla type movement. This is why it's so good. Bread runners, then you know boozers.
Sorry guys, I'll put the sound warning in the title. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me turn my volume up again. Here we go. This game has been shut down. The new game is called the Samingo Games on Plab. But I want to play the... Is this milk? Oh, no, it's just a bowl. Ooh, I want to become moist bread. So we can explore. Oh, wait. Oh, this is just the bathroom. Hey, yo, why is there a door? What did that happen? The graphics are honestly pretty good. Not gonna lie. I'll probably maybe upload this video. So if you're seeing this limited edition, you got lucky. No, it's not gonna be limited edition, but yeah. Bye guys.